Nina bakasiba singungubele nyaka nasiboboka umuntu akuzizwa indaba usikhipha phambili kuleleni esiqhotsheni kwaceza undaba ohloma ehlathini obe njengohlanya umphangelela ngalingakaphumi kwandunu lathi uma liphuma laselphuma nengazi zamadoda sinibingelele sinamukele kephi lana ethamele khona i1 KZN TV igama lami nguphiwe ngokwaMthembu sikhuluma nawe ke sisewembezi nokuyilapho khona ke sisemkhandlweni wesifunda ke uthukela sihamba ke nomnyango wezokubusa ngokubambisana nendaba zomdabu esifundazweni kwaZulu Natal ke uholwa ingwedla ngamabala amhlophe ezinye zidla ngamabala amnyama namdaka umfundisi uthula sizwe Buthelezi nokuyilapho khona ke eza ngenhloso yokuletha ke isixazululo esithinta ke ukuhlinzekwa ngamanzi emphakathini njengoba sazi ukuthi ke lo mnyango ujwayele ukuthi ungenelele emkhandlweni yezifunda esuke ke idonsa kanzima ngasekuletheni ke kuyidingo ikakhulukazi ingqalasizinda yamanzi lapho kugcina khona ke abantu bengakwazi ukuthola amanzi aphozekayo namanzi ke ahlanzekile siyafisa ukuthi sizwe ingqikithi yosuku lwanamhlanje ngokuthi sikhulume naye ke umhlonishwa uButhelezi ngaphambi ukuthi ke siye ke kuyona ke imeya yalomkhandlu okuyinkosi ke uShabalala asichazele naye ukuthi ngabe kusho ukuthini lokhu okuthe kwenzeka osuna namhlanje uma ngabe sithi ke abakhulume
silapha namhlanje endaweni yasenkosi langalibalele umasipala ngaphansi kwesifunda sothukela lapho besizodingida khona indaba enkulu okuyindaba yamanzi siyazi ukuthi lapha othukela sekuyisikhathi eside abantu bekhuluma ngendaba yamanzi kukhona lapha amanzi ayephuma khona eqaleni awasaphumi njengamanje kukhona ama projects aqhubekayo ngakho ke sihlanganise zonke inhlaka ezithintekayo kulolu daba okuwumnyango wezamanzi kuzwelonke uDepartment of Water and Sanitation umnyango akwakhokutha kuzwelonke oholo umhlonishwa uvele enkosini Hlabisa umasipala wesifunda idistrict yasothukela oholwa inkosi uShabalala nebhodi umngeni uthukela water bonke ke laba bazobambisana ekuthenini ekupheleni kosuku amanzi aphuma sibuke indawo enjengokholenzo sibuke indawo enjengowineni sibuke indawo enjengowembezi lapha esikhona sibuke indawo enjengokhahlamba ukuthi singenza kanjani ukuthi abantu abahlala kulezi indawo bacoshe amanzi ahlanzekile kodwa amanzi bawathole njalo kusinike ke ithemba ukuzwa inhlelo ezihleliwe izo zonke lezi inhlaka ikakhulukazi umnyango wezamanzi kuzwelonke imali ezofakwa lapha othukela ukuvuselela ingqalasizinda eziphakela amanzi
thina namhlanje uthukela sifana nabantu abazelwe kabusha ngoba ubuthola sekunzima la kwethulwa khona imeya nje zeminye emkhandlo makuthiwa uqhamuka uthukela uzube namahloni uzenyeze ngenxa yenkinga ebekade zikhona ebezingakhandwanga ke ukuthi kufike thina ukuguga nje kwenqalazinda sothukela ngoba amanzi amaningi la uthukela wakwazi ukufika kubantu ngoba aphelele endleleni ngenxa ukuthi infrastructure igugile senze izicelo ke masingena kuleli office zokuthi ke sicela ukulekelelwa ukuthi infrastructure yethu ibe sesimene esikahle sibhalile sacela naku president of the country umhlonishwa uBabu Ramaphosa wafika futhi naye lapho uthukela ungqongqoshe wangesikhathi esiphambeleni umhlonishwa umchuno wafika naye noPrima waZulu Natal naye wafika ngazi izicelo ezifanayo ungqongqoshe wakakhokutha umhlonishwa uHlabisa wafika lapho uthukela kanye nomhlonishwa umfundisi uButhelezi lo khona namhlanje kodwa ke sikubonga kakhulu ke namhlanje ukuthi zonke lezi zicelo esasinazo namhlanje zigcwalisiwe ziphumelelisiwe ngoba sifike la sisayina khona isivumelwano esithi thina kanye nenkampani ezimele umngeni water enikeza umsebenzi wokunikeza abantu amanzi kanye nomnyango wezamanzi kuzwelonke sivumelane sindawonye sobathathu nothukela ukuthi sizobambisana ukunikeza abantu amanzi.
My name is Pati Khomo and I'm the CEO of the Municipal Infrastructure Support Agent, which is an entity of the National Department of Cooperative Governance. Our primary responsibility as an entity is to provide technical support to municipalities so that they can implement their infrastructure programs to ensure that there's quality, reliable and sustainable services to all communities. Now, our involvement in uThukela is through a project that we were appointed by the National Department as an implementing agent to implement in Ekuvukeni. So it was the replacement of a bulk pipeline, an asbestos or a bulk pipeline, which then MISA successfully implemented to ensure that there's bulk water that is being provided to the communities of Ekhuvukeni. Today's event comes at an opportune time because as we were implementing the project, we realized that there's quite a number of interventions that are necessary, because it's one thing to provide bulk infrastructure, but if you don't provide the reticulation so that the communities can get direct access to quality water, then it does not really yield the desired results. So we are very happy for this Section 63 intervention by the National Department of Water Services because it will bring the much needed water services to the community of Ekhuvukeni and broadly to the communities of uThukela. So as MISA, we will continue providing the technical support to the district municipality through the engineers that we have deployed to provide support to the district municipality.
Thank you very much. It's a great honor for me today to be representing the Department of Water and Sanitation at this signing event. This four-way agreement has taken a while to craft because it's complicated and involves 4 different parties. We've done that to ensure that the agreement deals with sustainability issues and that the district is able to provide sustainable water and sanitation in the longer term. This is unlike our previous interventions in terms of Section 63 of the Water Services Act, which have focused mainly on bulk infrastructure. Our focus has been on 4 different areas, which will include repairs and refurbishment, new projects, operation and maintenance, and a very important component will be enhancing revenue collection. These all underline the sustainability of the intervention, and in order to do that, we've got the National Department of COGTA, Provincial COGTA, our department, Mgeni uThukela Water as the agent of the department, and the district all involved in ensuring that this intervention is sustainable. So I'm thrilled and I'm very keen to see the rollout of the implementation of that. We have had fantastic cooperation from our provincial COGTA colleagues as well as the MEC of COGTA who's led the event today, and we are looking forward to rolling out the agreement and ensuring that water starts flowing in the taps of our communities and that safe, clean drinking water is produced and sanitation services are reinstated. Thanks.
Kunemali eningi ezofakwa lapho uThukela beyihlala ikhulunywa ke indaba yemali ezofakwa uThukela kodwa kungenzeki namhlanje nje wasisayinele sivumelwane sesiyathemba ukuthi imali izofika bakwazi abantu basothukela ukusizakala abathola amanzi ahlanzekile bakwazi ukuphuza nathi sibe ngcono okuhleke sikuzwile ungqongqoshe kusho namhlanje ukuthi uThukela imali ezofakwa iningi kakhulu kukhona namanye amabhiliyoni athi uzosicelela ku DBSA ukuthi akwazi ukusilekelela ingene imali. Kusho ukuthi ke kusuka kulonyaka ozayo ngendlela abale ngakhona imali kulonyaka wemali kuzongena 100 million unyaka olandela ungena another 100 million unyaka wesithathu kuzongena 115 million. So lokho nje kukodwa ukutshela ukuthi ke nje uThukela umehluko uzoba mkhulu. Angiwabalike amabhiliyoni esisalinde ukuthi aphasiswe esizobe siwacela ku DBSA kanye nakwibhange lomhlaba la sizokwazi ukuthi sisizakale khona. So siyathemba ukuthi ke lo msebenzi wenzeke namhlanje uzokwenza impilo zethu zibe ngcono. Namhlanje sijabule kakhulu uThukela. Fanele ngabe sihlabe inkomo nje siyagiya sizothi namhlanje kuhle kwethu laphela usizi abantu basizakala. Siyathokoza kakhulu.
Kusinika ithemba ke ukubona ukubambisana kwabaholi ngoba kusho ukuthi abantu babekwe eqhulwini einhlelweni zonke zokuletha intuthuko. Sikushayela ihlombeke okwenzeke namhlanje sesilinde imphumela ezophuma emihle ngalokho kubambisana okade kusayindwa namhlanje.
Mbukeli-ke kuyaye kuthiwe-ke ayilwanga yesabana kulapho suke sisiliflathela-ke la esuke silivakashele njengoba namhlanje besivakashele-ke indawo yaseWembezi engaphansi komtshezi kanti-ke umkhandlo wesifunda uThukela. Sibonga kakhulu ukuthi ube ingxenye yalolu hlelo kuseqaleni kuze kushayele isikhathi. Igama lami nguphiwe ngokwamthembu uncedi inyoni incane yasha amaphiko yandiza. Ngivumeleni ngiguqe siguqeni sonke siyothi sukuma kuyobe kusoluzayo inkosi inibusise.